In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in Xero. This process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring all your transactions are well documented. So let's dive right in. First, you need to log into Xero. Start by navigating to the Xero login page. Once there, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find an intuitive layout that makes managing financials straightforward and efficient. Next, head over to either the expenses or bills section, depending on the nature of your transaction. If you're dealing with employee or business claims, you'll want to go to business and then select expense claims. Alternatively, for supplier expenses or bills, navigate to business and choose bills to pay. This distinction helps keep your records organized and easy to retrieve when needed. Following that, it's time to start a new expense or bill. If you're in the expense claims section, click on the plus new expense button. If you're in the bills to pay section, hit the plus new bill option. This action will initiate the form where you can detail your transaction. Now let's upload your receipt. In the expense or bill form, you'll see either an upload file or attach document button. Click this to select the image or PDF of your receipt from your computer or mobile device. Uploading the receipt is crucial as it will be stored alongside the transaction, ensuring that you have all the necessary documentation for future reference and audits. Next, review the fields and enter the required details. You'll need to fill in important information such as the supplier or vendor name under the From field. Make sure you also enter the date of purchase accurately. Then provide a clear description of the item or service. You'll also need to choose an expense account code, which could be categories like travel, meals, or office supplies. Finally, make sure you enter the amount and specify the tax rate if it's applicable. Accurate data entry here will make your financial reporting more precise. Once you've double-checked all the information, decide whether to save or submit your entry. Click Save if these records are for your own use or future edits. If your organization requires it, use the Submit for Approval option to send it through the necessary channels. Lastly, keep in mind that you can reconcile these entries later. When your bank feed reflects the payment, you can match it with your receipt or expense. This step ensures your bookkeeping is accurate and your financial records are up to date. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll effectively upload receipts to Xero, keeping your financial records accurate and well organized. This process not only helps with transparency, but also ensures you're fully prepared for any audits or reviews.